Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I am Emma, and today we are going to talk about something we all do every single day.
Emma, wait. I am so sorry to interrupt you, but I have to be honest with everyone today. I need to make a quick confession before we start the lesson.
Oh boy, okay, Jack. What is your confession today?
To be honest, I really struggled to leave my bed today. I mean, my bed was just so warm and comfortable. When my alarm clock started ringing this morning, I just looked at it and thought, absolutely not. I am not leaving this magical place. I hit the snooze button at least 4 times. Actually, maybe 5 times.
Well, Jack, I think we have all been there. It is totally normal to have slow mornings like that sometimes. But you are here now, and you are ready to learn, and that is what actually matters most. Because of your lazy morning, today we are going to learn exactly how to talk about your morning routine. We will learn the most important daily routine vocabulary so you can describe how you start your day in perfect, natural English.
Yes, and before we start this amazing lesson, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like button right now and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can join the English family. It helps us a lot, and you will never miss a lesson with us. Okay, Emma, I am awake now and I am ready to learn.
Perfect. Let us start at the very beginning of the day. The absolute first thing you do is wake up. But, Jack, do you know the difference between waking up and getting up? A lot of English learners think these two phrases mean the exact same thing, but they actually do not.
Wait, they are different? I wake up, I get up, it is the same thing, right? I open my eyes and I am awake.
Not exactly. To wake up means simply to open your eyes. Your brain is awake. You are no longer sleeping. But to get up means you physically move your body out of the bed. Your feet touch the floor.
Oh, I see. Okay, so this morning, I woke up at 7 o'clock. My eyes were open, but I did not get up until 7:30.
Exactly. That is a perfect example. So, what were you doing in your bed for those 30 minutes before you finally got up?
To be honest, I was just looking at my phone. I opened social media and just looked at pictures and videos of funny cats for half an hour. I always tell myself I will only look for 1 minute, but it is a trap. The cats always win.
That is a very common habit. In English, we have a specific word for that. When you are looking at your phone and moving your finger up and down to see new posts, we call that scrolling.
Scrolling. So I was scrolling on my phone in bed.
Yes, exactly. You woke up, you spent 30 minutes scrolling on your phone, and then you finally got up.
I feel like I am learning so much already, and we are only talking about the first 30 minutes of my day. By the way, I want to pause for just a second. I want to test our audience. If you are still listening to our conversation right now, I have a special mission for you. Comment the word routine down below right now so we know you are here. Yes, go to the comments and type ROUTINE. We love seeing who our best students are.
I love that idea, Jack. I will be looking for those comments. All right, so let us continue. You are finally out of bed. What is the next thing you should do? A very common morning habit is making the bed.
Making the bed. You mean pulling the blankets up and making the pillows look nice?
Exactly. Organizing your sheets and blankets so your bed looks neat and tidy.
I have to be completely honest again, Emma. I never make the bed. What is the point? I mean, I am just going to sleep in it again tonight and ruin it all over again. It feels like a complete waste of my very precious time.
That is a funny way to look at it, Jack, but making the bed is actually about the psychology of starting your day right. When you make your bed, you accomplish your very first task of the day. It gives you a small feeling of pride, and it encourages you to do another task and another. Plus, it is really nice to come back to a clean bed at night.
Wow. Okay, Maybe I will try to make my bed tomorrow. Maybe. So after I do not make my bed, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I know that one. Brush my teeth.
Yes, brushing your teeth is a very important vocabulary and good hygiene too. What else do you do in the bathroom?
I wash my face with cold water to help me wake up. Sometimes I take a shower. Then I go to the kitchen because I am usually very thirsty and very tired.
And what do you do in the kitchen?
I make coffee. I cannot function without making coffee. Or making tea if I want to feel fancy. But usually it is coffee. Black coffee.
Making coffee and making tea are essential phrases for a morning routine. Notice that we use the verb make here. We make the bed and we make coffee.
Make the bed. Make coffee. Got it. English is so logical sometimes. So I drink my coffee, I eat some toast, and then I put on my clothes. Wait, do we say put on my clothes or wear my clothes?
Great question. We say put on your clothes or get dressed. Get dressed is the most natural way to say it in a morning routine. You brush your teeth, make coffee, and get dressed.
Okay, Emma, I want to try something challenging. I am going to tell you my entire morning routine in one big sentence using all the new words. Are you ready?
I am very ready. Take a deep breath and go for it, Jack.
Okay. Today I wake up at 7, but I was scrolling the phone so I get up at 7:30. Then I not make the bed. I brushing my teeth. I make coffee, and I getting dressed. How was that? Did I sound like a native speaker?
I love your confidence, Jack. You remembered all the new vocabulary words, which is fantastic. I am very proud of your effort. Let us just clean up the grammar a little bit so it sounds perfectly natural. Since you are talking about what happened this morning, we need to use the past tense. Instead of saying I wake up, you would say I woke up.
Oh, right. I woke up. Because it is finished.
Exactly. So you would say today I woke up at 7, but I was scrolling on my phone, so I got up at 7:30. Then I didn't make the bed. I brushed my teeth. I made coffee and I got dressed.
That sounds so much smoother. I woke up. I got up. I didn't make the bed. I brushed my teeth. I made coffee, and I got dressed. Thank you, Emma.
You did great, Jack. Before we finish, let us do a quick recap of the 5 most important vocabulary phrases we learned today. I want everyone listening at home to practice their pronunciation right now. Do not be shy, speak out loud. Listen carefully and repeat after us. First, wake up.
Wake up.
Next, get up.
Get up.
Scrolling on my phone.
Scrolling on my phone.
Make the bed.
Make the bed.
And finally, get dressed.
Get dressed.
Excellent job today, everyone. You now have the exact vocabulary you need to talk about your morning routine perfectly in English. But now we want to hear from you. It is time for our question of the day.
Yes. Tell us in the comments right now, what is the very first thing you do when you get up? Do you make your bed? Do you make coffee? Or do you do something totally different? Write a full sentence in the comments so you can practice.
We read every single comment, so we cannot wait to see your daily routines. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.
Bye everyone. See you next time.